Hey everyone, this is Harsha and welcome to my channel. And in this tip video, we are gonna see how to grow ginger in small containers. So here we go. Tip number 1. Choose a healthy and fat piece of ginger to plant. Choose a ginger like this one as I am showing you. You can also choose a different piece as all pieces don't look alike, but I have chosen this because it's fat and looking healthy. You can also choose the thinner ones which are looking healthy, but don't choose the ones which are not looking healthy. They might not germinate and decompose. Tip number 2. Break the ginger into favorable sizes like these ones. You should not break these ginger pieces into very small pieces or not very big. If you break very big pieces, you might feel that you could have grown 2 plants out of that, but if you do that, you might grow only 1 plant out of that. So I suggest you to break the ginger into favorable pieces only. Tip number 3. Use 70% gardening soil and 20% compost and 10% coconut coir. You can also use potting soil because you can also grow it in the garden of yours or in the backyard. Also, you can also grow it in small containers. So, you can use normal soil, gardening soil or potting soil. But I suggest gardening soil because they keep the nutrients packed in the soil. They are very fertilized. Compost help in making the soil more nutritious. So use that. I suggest coconut coir because coconut coir absorbs moisture like sponge. So use coconut coir so that your plants might not dry out. It will keep the soil moist. It's your wish. You can use 70% gardening soil and 30% compost. But I suggest you that you use 70% gardening soil, 20% compost and 10% coconut coir. Tip number 4. Keep the soil moist or else your plant might dry out. As I said in the previous tip, you could use coconut coir, or if you're not, you must regularly water your plant so that your soil doesn't dries out. If your soil is moist, don't water it. It might overwater and it might not drain out. Tip number 5. Don't keep your ginger plant in direct sunlight as the sunlight can cause leaf burns on them. Keep them in partial sunlight or partial shade so that your ginger plant might grow and get equal amount of or normal amount of moderate amount of sunlight. Tip number 6. Don't overwater your plants or else they will die. This is a common factor you can observe in every plant. So give them moderate amount of water so that they can survive and produce you tasty gingers. Tip number 7. If you live in very cold climate, I suggest you to keep your plants indoor and give it some room temperature heat so they can grow. And if you live in humid climate, it's best area to grow ginger because ginger likes heat, sunlight, a bit of sunlight and mostly humidity. And if you live in summers, you must obviously take the plant indoors and make the room cool. Room temperature near 27 degrees Celsius so that your plant can survive in that too much heat. So if you follow all these steps, you can get a very healthy ginger plant just like this. So if you follow all the steps which I mentioned you might get a ginger plant like this in just 1 month. Look how beautiful it is. If you like my video, please like, share, and if you really like my video and want more of this, please hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in another video. Till that time, bye bye.